Welcome back to Tech Vibe, your ultimate destination for everything consumer technology, hardware leaks, and exclusive product specifications. If you are currently planning to upgrade your drone setup or are thinking about buying a sub 250-gram drone this year, you need to pause right now and watch this entire video before spending your hard-earned money. The ultra-lightweight drone industry is about to witness its biggest generational leap in hardware history. Internal supply chain blueprints, factory schematics, and highly authentic manufacturing leaks have just exposed DJI's next flagship compact powerhouse, the DJI Mini 6 Pro. For creators across the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia, sub 250-gram drones are the holy grail of aerial cinematography because they completely bypass strict aviation authority registration laws and restrictive flight zones. But for years, staying under that legal weight limit meant accepting massive compromises in image quality, wind resistance, and low-light performance. That compromise officially ends with the Mini 6 Pro. The core breakthrough of this upcoming drone rests entirely inside the newly engineered camera module. While the previous generation shocked the world by squeezing a 1-inch sensor into a compact frame, DJI is pushing the envelope even further. Authentic component leaks reveal that the Mini 6 Pro will debut a massive 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor, internally referred to as the Titan architecture. If you are a filmmaker or content creator, you know that a standard CMOS sensor reads data line by line, creating rolling shutter distortion during fast cinematic pans. A stacked sensor layer places the processing circuitry directly beneath the pixels, allowing for blistering read speeds. This means the Mini 6 Pro will completely eliminate rolling shutter artifacts while unlocking native 6K video resolution at up to 60 frames per second. This introduces a game-changing workflow advantage for premium content creators. Shooting native 6K video on a sub 250-gram drone allows you to digitally crop, reframe, and stabilize your footage in post-production while outputting a crystal-clear, flawless 4K master file. It gives you two distinct camera angles from a single flight mission. But the sensor size isn't the only optic upgrade keeping competitors awake at night. For the first time on a compact chassis, DJI is introducing a true mechanical variable aperture, shifting seamlessly from a bright fixed lens down to a versatile range between f1.7 and f11. Having a mechanical aperture on an ultra-lightweight drone completely changes how you manage exposure in changing light conditions. Instead of constantly landing your drone to manually swap out neutral density filters under the bright afternoon sun, you can adjust your aperture directly from your remote controller to maintain the perfect shutter speed in cinematic motion blur. This professional lens architecture is paired with an evolved 225-degree flexible gimbal rotation system. This guarantees native vertical shooting for high-engagement mobile platforms without losing a single pixel to digital cropping, alongside incredible upward-facing shooting angles that let you capture dramatic skyscraper reveals and unique under-canopy forestry shots. The hardware leaks also point to a dramatic upgrade in flight safety and navigation, addressing the biggest vulnerability of small drones, which is low-light obstacle avoidance. The Mini 6 Pro will launch an advanced Nightscape omnidirectional sensing array powered by front and rear-facing mini LiDAR systems. Standard optical sensors require visible light to calculate the distance to trees, power lines, and buildings, making autonomous night flights incredibly risky. By broadcasting active infrared laser pulses, the LiDAR system creates a precise three-dimensional depth map of the surrounding environment in absolute, pitch-black darkness. This allows the drone to safely execute complex automated tracking paths, dynamic orbits, and precise return-to-home protocols without relying on satellite GPS signals or ambient lighting. To handle the immense data streams coming from the 6K camera module and the LiDAR positioning system, DJI is rolling out its next-generation digital transmission system, the DJI O5 engine. Operating across multiple optimized frequency bands, the O5 system increases signal penetration by over 40%. This provides a bulletproof, zero-latency feed even in dense urban centers across major metropolitan cities where heavy wireless interference typically causes screen stuttering or catastrophic signal drops. Now, you might be wondering how DJI plans to pack a stacked 1-inch sensor, a variable aperture assembly, and active LiDAR modules into a chassis while strictly adhering to the global 249-gram weight limit. The secret lies in the battery chemistry. According to internal supply chain reports, DJI is adopting high-density solid-state battery technology for its premium power packs. Solid-state batteries deliver significantly higher energy density per gram compared to traditional lithium-ion cells. The standard intelligent flight battery will comfortably deliver an incredible 42 minutes of flight time, while the extended flight battery option will push continuous flight limits toward a staggering 60 minutes. Keep in mind that using the extended battery will push the takeoff weight past the regulatory threshold, but for professional pilots working under specific licenses, this introduces unprecedented endurance. To match this raw performance, the aerodynamics of the aircraft are getting a total redesign with dynamic folding arms and structural carbon fiber composite frameworks. This custom construction improves passive cooling by utilizing the downwash of the upgraded aerodynamic propellers, lowering internal hardware temperatures during extended 6K recording sessions. This enhanced wind resistance rating allows this tiny frame to withstand sustained high winds that normally ground sub-250-gram drones, ensuring smooth and stable footage during challenging coastal shoots. The software side is also seeing a massive overhaul with the integration of tracking intelligence that processes terrain data 5 times faster than before. The drone will automatically anticipate obstacles along a cinematic path, adjusting its speed and angle fluidly to mimic the natural panning motions of a human camera operator. This means solo creators can activate high-speed tracking through complex, wooded environments or busy urban architecture with total confidence that the drone will keep them perfectly framed without clipping a single obstacle. The manufacturing timeline and shipping roadmaps indicate that DJI is aiming for a premium late fourth quarter release window to capture the global holiday demand. Because of the inclusion of top-tier components like the stack sensor and LiDAR array, pricing tiers will adjust accordingly to reflect its status as a professional-grade cinema tool rather than an entry-level hobbyist toy. Expect a slight premium shift over the previous generation launch prices. When you look at the total package, the upcoming Mini 6 Pro is no longer just a convenient travel drone. It is a legitimate threat to larger cinema platforms, packed into a form factor that fits seamlessly inside your jacket pocket. It is the ultimate tool for creators who demand zero compromises between legal freedom and absolute image perfection. Thank you for watching this exclusive hardware breakdown on TechVibe. If this deep dive helped you make a smarter decision about your next gear investment, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an authentic tech update. Let us know in the comments if you will be waiting for this release or upgrading your setup immediately. Turn on notifications, stay ahead of the curve, and we will see you in the very next video.